Hello, my friends. It is time for me to share some new items with you today, which I'm really excited about because one goes with our club set. One is a die and stamp set that we've needed for a long time. And one is a new Pudgie. Yay! And it's a really, really, really cute Pudgie. Okay. First, let's do the one that goes with the club set. So as you remember, we have the club set banana splits to stamp. But we needed some more sayings, and Stephanie really needed some more sayings because I came up with a lot. So I've introduced sayings for banana split. What a long name. Now we have some fun words here. Hope your birthday is as sweet as you. Never settle for just one scoop. Every day should be a Sunday. I'm ice cream because you drive me bananas. Split happens. Isn't that funny? Friends forever. I like you more than ice cream. I love you a bunch. Let's never split. Let's get together, lickety split. And then this one says wow, or if you turn it the other way, it says mom. Go figure, right? So that is the sayings for banana splits. Now, and I have some fun samples to share with you. Now we have dun 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 dun. The set that we've been waiting for a long time. Babies. I don't have any babies coming in my life yet. Trust me, you will all be the first to know as soon as we have news about, grandbabies. But not yet, not yet. No rush, no rush. But hurry up. No, I'm kidding. I feel bad. I bug her all the time. Anyway, I'm just getting my life prepared, and we needed a new baby set. So I have this one. It comes with dies that match, and it has a cute little baby carriage and a little cradle. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. You guys always talk to me at the shows, and you're like, oh, I have 6 grandchildren, or I have 5 grandchildren. Oh, I'm so jealous. I'm green with envy. Anyway, welcome, little one. Congratulations on your new arrival. Got sleep? Baby shower. It's a boy, it's a girl, or it's a baby shower. So much fun. Now, of course, we have the dies that match because, we always need the dies that match. And the samples you see that I have to share with you are lovely. Oh, they warm my heart. Now, we also have, I promised you a new Pudgie, and this is Pudgie number, let me tell you, 22. Now, some of you are really, really on top of things, and you've noticed we release them at different times. So I think we released number 27 before we released number 22. Go figure. Well, that's just the way we roll here. Sometimes things get moved on the schedule or moved off the schedule or moved on the schedule. And I always tell everybody, I reserve the right to change it at any time because you never know what's going to happen. Or all of a sudden I'll say, oh gosh, I really want that one now. So I move it around. Anyway, this one is an animal. I'm gonna give you like a little hint. I have held one of these animals, and my daughter Kirsten has held one of these animals, a real one, on our trip to Australia when I went to teach for physics, and it was the most wonderful, fastest 10 seconds of my life because they literally only let you hold them for probably 10 seconds. They snap the picture and then they take it away. And you have to wear something special and stuff. But anyway, it was worth it. It was a koala. Oh, koalas. Oh, I just want to hug them. Oh, I love them so much. So this is Koala Pudgie, and it says, let's do lunch. You are a quality friend. Happy, happy birthday. And I added some what I consider eucalyptus leaves. And let me tell you, koalas are just as soft and cute in real life as they are on this Pudgie. Okay, let's do the samples. First, let's do the ice cream ones. So here's one, I like you more than ice cream. Here's one, never settle for just one scoop. Oh, here's one with the Steffi doll. Never settle for just one scoop. That kind of looks like my ice creams. Oh, and here's a cute one too. Oh, that was a favorite one with our team. Never settle for just one scoop, with lots of ice cream scoops. Now let's look at the baby ones. Oh, look at that. Now people are always having babies, which is good, right? And look at how fun that is. And it says, it's a girl. Isn't that pretty? With our exclusive Flip It. Here's one, and you're thinking, that's not a baby card. It has our cute little mailbox, and it says, hello, it's a girl. Oh, yay. Isn't that exciting? And then here, oh, here's this one. Welcome, little one. Oh, I love that. Oh, look at this one. Congratulations. Oh, this one's fun. Congratulations. This is a good unisex one, like if you don't know what the baby is, and then it says, on your new arrival. So you can make a whole bunch of extras of these, put them off to the side, keep them in your fab files that Tiffany designed, and then you can just have them ready to go, and then you can just sign your name when the baby comes. Isn't that cute? It's a girl. Oh, I love that. On the balloons. Oh, got sleep. I love that one. It's so awful when they're born at the beginning, right? That's just how it is, but that's life. Congratulations. This one, who is this? This is Leslie. Leslie made her own little baby face using one of our faces to stamp in just a circle and added a little squiggy for hair. I love that. And then she did the little inside. Welcome, little one. Oh, and here's another one. Oh, another exclusive Flip It. It's a girl. I love that. Koala time, koala time, quality koala time. So here's hello with the little wiggly eyes. So fun. Here's one. Oh, look how cute he is. And this one's not stamped at all. This one's just die cut. So you have that option to do die cut only, or stamp and die cut, or stamp only. So you have lots of options. So that's cute. Oh, whoops. This one is him eating, and open it up and says, let's do lunch. Now look at this too. I want you to see, just combining the die cuts that are cut out and a different color green, you're making your own pattern paper, but with dimension. Isn't that fantastic? I love that. Good job. Who did that one? Vanessa, I love that. Let's do lunch. Oh, or it could be a party time. Happy, happy birthday. Oh, look at that one. That one's cute. Oh, I love that flower. Look at how cute that is. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, here he is eating again. That little koala's always eating. Oh, and this one's sweet. You are a quality friend. Happy, happy birthday. Isn't that cute? I might keep this one, Leslie. I might put this one in my Bible. It's funny because in my Bible, I have, you know how it comes with the little ribbon to mark your place, but sometimes I want to mark a couple other places, so this would be perfect for that. I think that's cute. Club members, of course, you're going to get the club discount on our website and in our booth when you come visit us when we're traveling. If you're not in the club, you need to join because you're missing out on a 15% or even a 20% discount. And if I went too fast, don't worry, because I know sometimes I go too fast. If I went too fast, you can rewind the video and watch it again, or you can go to our gallery on our website and you can see all of the samples up close and personal. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again at thestampsoflife.com. Bye-bye.